Hello everyone, I have an unboxing video for you today. So this is an unboxing of the Teen Spirit Scrapbook Kit that you can find at the Secret Not Secret Kit Club's Kreative Shop. I know there's only a few available, but I also know that the last time I checked their website, they were still available. So I'll leave a link below. And I have a discount code, Sarah Scraps, all one word, all capital letters, that you can use for 10% off if you'd like. Okay. So this kit is primarily based off of Echo Park Paper's Teen Spirit Boy collection. And I really love this collection. I'm a boy mom. If you're a boy mom, this is a great collection. I have a bunch of photos coming up I want to do that has pictures of my kids being kids, you know, hunting frogs and stuff. So we'll definitely be using those. Okay, so this is the first paper, which is a cut-apart sheet. And can I just say, this card right here, this 4x6 card that says, "It's my life and it's now or never," this is not for a child. This is for an adult. These are for the moms of these teenagers who are now all singing that Bon Jovi song in their head, like me, every time I read it. Okay, so this one is the journaling cards paper. It has all these adorable little icons on one side and then this cut-apart sheet on the other. And then you also get the full 12x12 element sticker sheet, which I think is super cute. I love these colors. I like the icons. I think it's really, really a fun collection for a boy collection. I can see me using it for both my 13-year-old and my 19-year-old, so that's good. This is called Rad Buttons. I'm pretty sure that you get 2 of every paper in this kit, so you have lots and lots of options. Ooh. This is the other cut-apart sheet with the banners on the back. And these are all 3x4. Really, really cute. Again, who's singing the Journey song right now? This is definitely for moms. This kit was made with moms. That scrapbook in mind. So we have all these cassette tapes, and then the back of this one is all kinds of cute little sayings. Rad, awesome, epic. High top sneakers. Gorgeous plaid. This one's called Sneakers. I love this plaid. It's really pretty. Really cool. One more cut apart sheet. Again, awesome. Awesome. And then the back are the little peace signs. I love the cut apart sheets in this collection. They're really, really nice. And then I think it just repeats. Yeah, so you get 2 of every paper. So you don't have to make any tough decisions about what side to use. The 12x12 element sheet. And then you get an entire pack of the Teen Spirit Boy ephemera die cuts. So lots of fun icons and titling options in there. There's 33 die cut ephemera pieces. And then, because this is a one-off kit from the Secret Not Secret Kit Club, there's always going to be like some fun exclusives, right? And that's why I tend to grab kits like this from Christina. So this one includes a Nuvo Stone Drops, which, if you remember, this is the second one I have. I have a blue one that I got in my Indigo and Ivy collection, and I really like that. So this is called Lady Liberty, and it's a really pretty kind of aqua-y color that matches the collection really well. And then, excuse me, we have Twilight Thickers, which are just some really usable, nice foam black thickers. And then there are some cute little extras in here. So we have 3 library cards, which are really nice for journaling. Love those. And then some die cuts, which is really cool. These, so if you head over to Christina's shop, if you do not have a silhouette but you love the look of die cut paper, of the cut files, she sells pre-cut cut files, and she has included 3 in this kit. So you have this really cool kind of game controller. You have this fun star element, and then a Viewmaster. So that is the Teen Spirit Scrapbook Kit over at the Secret Not Secret Kit Club Creative Shop. I will link it below. Don't forget that you can use my discount code. And I hope that you will go over and grab one of these, because I know I'm going to be playing with this in the coming weeks, and I'm really excited. I think it'll be great for some summer pictures. It has this aqua-y color, so it'd be good for like pool pictures maybe, anything like that. So I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.